Hello friends, today we start a chapter 2 polynomial. Important things of the theory part number 3. First, the types of the polynomial and standard form. Types of the polynomial and standard form, maximum number of zeros of the polynomial, zeros and types of graph and shape of the various types of the polynomial. First one, linear polynomial. Types of polynomial, first one is linear polynomial and standard form of linear polynomial p of x is equal to ax plus b, and condition a not equal to 0, a and b both are real numbers, means a and b belong to R. Linear polynomial, standard form of linear polynomial p of x equal to ax plus b where a not equal to 0 and a and b belongs to R. Here linear polynomial degree of x is 1, therefore maximum number of 0 is 1. Okay, and find the maximum number of zeros. X is equal to zeros of linear polynomial, x is equal to minus b divided by a. Zeros of linear polynomial, x is equal to minus b divided by a. To find any zeros, first take p of x is equal to 0, therefore ax plus b is equal to 0. Find value of x, therefore x is equal to minus b divided by a, that is equal to minus as it is. B means constant term of the polynomial and a means coefficient of x. Therefore find the zeros of linear polynomial. X is equal to minus b divided by a, that is equal to minus constant term, a means divided by coefficient of x. Okay, and graph of the linear polynomial is always be a straight line. Graph of the linear polynomial shape is always be a straight line. Therefore, to draw the graph by two dimension, x-axis and y-axis. Here you remember this one. Graph of x intersecting at x-axis at only one point. Graph of linear polynomial p of x equal to ax plus b intersecting x-axis at only one point. Therefore, these are the zeros of the polynomial. इसमें हमें इतना याद रखना है, ग्राफ x एक्सिस पे जितने पॉइंट पे टच करता है दैट इज कॉल्ड ए नंबर ऑफ जीरोस. हियर एक ग्राफ इन a straight line x एक्सिस को सिर्फ एक पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है. Therefore, the zeros of this polynomial is 1. There is only one number of zeros. Okay. Therefore, linear polynomial graph is always be a straight line intersecting x-axis at only one point. Therefore, number of zeros is 1. Second one, quadratic polynomial. Standard form of quadratic polynomial is equal to p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Its condition is coefficient of x square is a or never equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. Standard form of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c a not equal to 0 and condition a, b, c are real numbers. Here degree of x is 2, therefore maximum number of zeros is 2. Which are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial? Zeros are alpha and beta. First zero is alpha, another zero is beta. Therefore sum of zeros means there are two number of zeros, alpha and beta. Sum of zeros means alpha and beta sum करना है, alpha plus beta. You remember this formula, sum of zeros of quadratic polynomial alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b divided by. But here b is equal to coefficient of x. Therefore minus sign as it is. B means coefficient of x. A means coefficient of x square. A means coefficient of x square. Therefore you remember this one. Sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b divided by a, that is equal to minus sign coefficient of x. B means coefficient of x, a means coefficient of x square. Another one, product of zeros. First one is sum of zeros, second one is product of zeros. Product of zeros means here there are two number of zeros, alpha and beta. Product of zeros means alpha into beta, that is equal to c divided by a. Here product of zeros alpha into beta, that is equal to c divided by. C, that means constant term of the quadratic polynomial, and A means coefficient of x square. Therefore, you remember this one. C means constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Therefore, product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta is equal to C divided by A, that is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. Remember these two formulas, sum of zeros and product of zeros. Its graph of quadratic polynomial is shape is parabola. Remember this one. Graph of quadratic polynomial shape is parabola. That means U shape. U shape और उल्टा ही दोनों शेप हो सकते हैं, U shape and reverse shape. Okay. Here, if a is greater than 0, polynomial quadratic polynomial में a greater than 0 means a is positive. A is positive here. To remember this one, if a is greater than 0, then graph of parabola opening upwards. ऊपर की साइड वो open होगा. ऊपर की साइड open. If a is greater than 0, then graph of parabola opening upward. If a is less than 0, suppose a is positive, then graph of parabola opening upward. If a is less than 0 means a is in negative term. First term is negative. Coefficient of x square is negative, means a is less than 0. Then graph of parabola opening downwards. नीचे की साइड वो open होगा. Remember this one. A is greater than 0. Then graph of parabola opening upwards. ऊपर की साइड open होगा. If a is less than 0 means a is negative. Then graph of parabola opening downwards. नीचे की साइड open होगा. Remember this one. Here you see this figure. The graph, they all are the graph of parabola in quadratic equation. Okay. Here graph is opening upwards means a is greater than 0. And here remember this one, graph of parabola opening downwards means a is less than 0. These both graphs are p of x equal to ax square plus bf plus c. You remember this one. Here the x axis, that is x axis, that one is y axis. X axis and y axis. Here the graph of x-axis intersecting at two distinct points, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Therefore, there are two number of zeros. Here you remember this one, maximum number of zeros is 2. Maximum number of zeros is 2 means 2 भी हो सकता है, 1 भी हो सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता. Therefore, here graph of parabola means quadratic polynomial intersecting at two distinct point on x-axis, that means two number of zeros. There are two zeros. There are also two zeros. Here a is greater than 0, here a is less than 0. And another, if the graph of x-axis is intersecting only one point, that is one number of zeros. If a is greater than 0. If graph of intersecting x-axis at only one point, that is one number of zeros. Here graph of parabola opening downwards means a is less than 0. Here graph of x-axis never intersecting at x-axis. Graph of parabola, graph of quadratic polynomial never intersecting at x-axis. Both one, a greater than 0, a less than 0. Graph of parabola never intersecting x-axis at any point. Therefore, number of zeros are 0. No number of zeros. If there are two number of zeros figure, there are one number of zeros figure, there are no number of zeros is figure. Maximum 0 means 2 भी हो सकता है, 1 भी हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. Remember this one. Okay. And last one, if sum of zeros are given, alpha plus beta is given in a question. Okay, alpha plus beta is given means sum of zeros is given, and product of zero is given. Product of zeros means alpha into beta are given. Sum of zeros given, product of zeros are given. Put substitute value in this form. That is called, you convert a quadratic. You find two quadratic polynomial if sum of zeros and product of zeros are given in exercise 2.2 question number 2. ये पूरा इस formula पे depend है. So that you remember this one, sum of zeros and product of zeros. Put substitute value in this form, then you find the quadratic polynomial. Remember this one. P of x is equal to k. K means some constant k. X square minus alpha plus beta into x. Therefore, x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros means alpha into beta, but k is not equal to 0. Remember this one, p of x equal to k, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta where k is not equal to 0. Please subscribe this channel, share, comment and like this video. Okay, thank you.